Feel like you can't handle another day of lockdown? We've just got the perfect brain workout for you to boost your IQ to the next level. Riddle me that, riddle me this. We challenge you to put your brains to the test with these 3 mind-boggling riddles that only 20% of viewers can solve. Thanks for tuning in to Howby. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more riddles that stretch your puzzle power. From outrunning mutant zombies through precise calculation to saying the correct statement to open the treasure chest, do you think you can handle all 3 puzzles? Let's get solving. The first one is called the Bridge and Torch Riddle. You are stuck in a remote mountain village full of mutant zombies ready to eat you alive. You need to get away as fast as you can. Can you wisely use math to get you and everyone with you on the safe side before the zombies get to you? With you are your younger brother, your Aunt Dina, and your old neighbor. You all reach the only one way to safety, across an old rope bridge spanning a massive gorge. You can get across in 1 minute while your brother takes 2 minutes. Your Aunt Dina needs 5 minutes and your old neighbor takes a whole 10 minutes. The zombies will catch up to you in just 17 minutes, so the group only has that much time to get everyone across the bridge and cut the ropes. But here comes the catch. The bridge is only made for 2 people at a time. To make matters worse, it's deep in the dark night and you can barely see. The only source of light is a flashlight which your brother has, and it can only illuminate a tiny area. Can you figure out a way to help everyone escape to safety in 17 minutes? Take note, no more than 2 people can cross the bridge at the same time, and anyone crossing must hold the flashlight or stay right next to it. Anyone can safely wait in the dark on either side of the bridge. Everyone must be safely across before the zombies arrive. There are no tricks here. The only way out is to cross the rope bridge. It might seem like no matter what you do, the group will always be a minute or 2 short of time. But with precise calculations, there is a way. You need to minimize the time that's wasted by having the 2 slowest people cross together. And since you will need to take a couple of return trips with the flashlight, you want to have the fastest people doing so. Here's how you can escape the zombies. First, you and your brother must quickly run across with the lantern. After 2 minutes, both of you have now crossed. As the quickest, you run back to the other side with the lantern. Only 3 minutes have passed. Now comes the tricky part. Aunt Dina and your old neighbor take the flashlight and cross together. This will take 10 minutes since Aunt Dina has to slow down for your neighbor, who keeps on muttering a prayer. By the time they are across, only 4 minutes are left and you are still stuck on the wrong side. But no need to worry, you still have your final card. Your brother, the second fastest in the group, grabs the lantern and runs back across to you. With only 2 minutes left, both of you make the final crossing. As you step on the safe side of the gorge, you cut the ropes and the bridge collapses just right in time. All of you heave a sigh of relief. Our second puzzle is a quick one, but it needs sharp logic. You have been wrongly condemned for murder and has been locked up in prison. After a long time, you finally got a parole, but there's a catch. You have to decide on your fate and choose the room that will take you to safety and freedom. The prison wardens take you to a huge room with 3 doors. The first one has 10 assassins with loaded guns ready to fire at you once you enter. The second one takes you straight away to a pit of raging fires. And the final room is full of lions who haven't eaten in years. Which room is the safest for you to pick? At first, you might think that all rooms will lead you to your death, and the parole is just a joke after all. But think hard, there's one safe room, and that's the last room with lions on it. Those animals would have already died of starvation long before your pardon has been decided. Here's our final riddle. You are an archaeologist on the biggest mission of your life. You are in the heart of the Amazon forest, venturing into an unknown ancient cave. After days of exploration, you finally unearth two giant treasure chests. According to the legends, one of the chests will open if you say a true statement and the other will do so if you say a false statement. To make things complicated, one chest is filled with gold bars and ancient treasures, while the other one has deadly man-eating pythons, ready to rip your head off and make a meal out of you. You don't know which chest is which, and neither do you know their contents. The chests will not open if you say something subjective or paradoxical. What should you say to get the treasure and survive? Craft the statement as carefully as you can if you want to leave the cave alive and rich. Here's what you could say. The chest that contains treasure will open if I speak the truth. If the chest containing the treasure really is the truth chest, you will have uttered the truth and it will open. If the chest containing the treasure is not the truth chest, you will have uttered a lie and it will open. We hope you enjoyed these 3 mind-boggling puzzles. Which ones did you get the answers right? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and see who's the smartest among you. Thanks again for watching.